Hey y'all, I'm going live. Instead of working today, I'm out picking up my daughter from school, and she's costing me work hours. And
no, God forbid I get
whatchamacallit, network meeting set up today, but that's okay. When you work for yourself, people just think you got all this free time on your hands since they see you at the house. So right now, I got my moving hat on today. I'm gonna be helping her move her. So we out here at Stephen F. Austin, where she's an art major out here, even though I can't get her to do no advertisement for my site, you know. Another unappreciative child.
We gotta get some of the bigger boxes.
All right, so there's some of her stuff that
that's just the surface.
Well, you can carry that stuff yourself. I'm just carrying the big stuff. Anything small, that's on you. Just to of course, you can't be on the first floor, of course. So, y'all know I'm gonna be moving up and down the stairs today. Well, at least you're on the second floor. Were you on the third floor last semester?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's on the third floor this time. Last semester she was on, she's on the second floor this time. Last semester she was on the third floor, which was torture.
Sophie's not here right now.
Y'all want to see her little dirty dorm room?
Wow.
This is what a dirty college dorm room looks like.
It's almost empty now.
Well, it's almost empty now, I guess. But, so I'm getting ready to move all this crap. All right, we're gonna have to. Where we gonna start at?
Well, everything under this bed, basically, all my stuff.
Well, you moved none of this stuff already. You could have half of this downstairs. The only thing I had to do was just load it in the car.
I didn't get my things till 12:30. Hey, look, I did this. My metal smile.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's like moving steps a little bit.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know.
Oh, let me have it.
And you actually gotta put it somewhere people will see it.
I'm gonna put it on my cowboy hat.
Okay.
Get my cowboy hat steamed and cleaned today. Check it out. She made this in metal shop. Pretty cool, right? Legs moving. Got a pin on the back. Then I'm gonna put it on the front of my cowboy hat.
All right.
And now so I put it on the front of my cowboy hat.
I think we get the bigger stuff
pretty
first.
Cool. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna have to stop talking with y'all and actually do some work. But I wanted to plug my website since I didn't get to do any work towards it. My website is www.regionalitservices.com. You know, if y'all got a dream, like my college daughter here, you know, y'all go ahead and make that dream a reality. And, you know, go ahead and get that domain registered before somebody steals your idea. So go ahead and register your .com. You can do that via our website, www.regionalitservices.com. And, you know, if you're sitting around wasting your parents' money on that college education, now's a good time to put it to use. You know, go ahead and take that college education or college ignorance, and I'm just joking, and get your website registered. Go to our website to do so. Go ahead, baby. Say hey.
Hey.
She's coming home from the college break. You know, we get ready to get her. Hopefully, put her to work this summer. And hopefully she can do some work as far as putting that art major to my use and do me some advertisement. Yeah, she's getting educated, but she ain't using her major towards helping her dad, and you know, which is art, and I can use her for my advertisement. But y'all take it easy, and I'm gonna holler at y'all when we go back to lunch. I guess we'll stop and eat before we get on the road. I'm starving. I've been waiting to eat till I got here to pick her up because I knew she was going to be hungry when I got here. So not only she got me moving heavy boxes, she got me moving heavy boxes and starving to death. All right, folks. Y'all make sure y'all go visit my website. Again, for y'all who just joined, that website is www.regionalitservices.com. Go there and register your domains. Make that business idea a reality, and protect your name before someone else gets it. All right, thanks, and y'all tune in with me later. In the meantime, y'all go check out my website or our website. I need to get some college moving done.